Imagine a world where your trash doesn't just disappear into a landfill or go up in smoke. What if instead, it could power the buses you ride, the trucks that deliver your goods, and even help clean our air? This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now in Kent, England, where a revolutionary 120 million project is about to change everything we thought we knew about waste. Hydrogen TE is building a plant with a simple but audacious goal: to take what we throw away and turn it into clean hydrogen fuel. Instead of burying our rubbish, creating planet-warming methane gas, this facility will use a process called plasma gasification. Think of it like harnessing lightning in a bottle. Electric torches, hotter than the surface of the sun, will vaporize trash inside a sealed chamber. We're talking temperatures over 5,000 degrees Celsius. At this extreme heat, complex waste breaks down into its simplest components. Plastics, food scraps, and paper are transformed into a synthetic gas, or syngas, which is rich in hydrogen. Meanwhile, inorganic materials like metal and glass melt down into a harmless glass-like substance that can be reused in construction. It's a clean, contained, and incredibly efficient way to deconstruct our waste problem. So, how does this syngas become the clean fuel of the future? First, it's rapidly cooled and purified. Contaminants that could harm the final product are scrubbed out. Then, through a clever chemical process, even more hydrogen is extracted. Finally, a technology called pressure swing adsorption isolates and polishes the hydrogen, making it over 99.9% pure, perfect for powering zero-emission fuel cell vehicles. What's truly brilliant about this design is that it creates a closed loop. The system is so efficient that it can use a portion of the gas it produces to power itself, reducing its reliance on the electrical grid. And because the whole process is sealed, the carbon dioxide that's produced can be captured, preventing it from ever entering the atmosphere. This means the process isn't just low carbon, it could actually be carbon negative, actively removing CO2 from the equation. This project in Manston is more than just a clever piece of engineering. It's a blueprint for a smarter, more sustainable future. The plant is strategically located near waste sources and potential hydrogen customers, like logistics companies and public transit. This cuts down on truck emissions from hauling waste and delivering fuel. It's a local solution for local problems. The economic benefits are just as compelling. Hydrogen TE plans to create hundreds of jobs, both in construction and for the plant's long-term operation. By creating multiple revenue streams, from accepting waste, selling hydrogen, and even selling the vitrified slag, the project builds a robust business model that is not dependent on just one thing. It turns a city's waste management costs into a source of revenue and clean energy. Now, this technology isn't without its challenges. Early plasma projects elsewhere struggled with high energy costs and maintenance, but the industry has learned from those attempts. Hydrogen TE is incorporating those lessons with a design focused on reliability, rigorous feedstock preparation, and sophisticated gas cleanup. They're building a system that's not just powerful, but also practical and durable. The implications are massive. For the UK, it aligns perfectly with national goals for hydrogen energy and waste reduction. It boosts energy security by creating fuel from local resources, reducing the need for imports. For communities, it means less landfill pressure, cleaner air, and a direct visible link between their daily lives and the clean energy transition. Imagine seeing your city's garbage trucks running on fuel made from the very trash they collect. That's a powerful story. This isn't just another waste-to-energy plant. Traditional incineration burns waste and releases CO2. Plasma gasification, on the other hand, unmakes waste. It disassembles it at a molecular level to build something new and valuable, all while capturing the carbon. It's a fundamental shift from waste disposal to resource creation. The project in Kent is a bold first step. If it succeeds, it could be replicated across the country and the world, providing a scalable solution to two of our biggest challenges: waste pollution and fossil fuel dependency. It shows that with ingenuity and investment, we can transform our liabilities into assets. This is the circular economy in action. It's about rethinking our relationship with the things we discard and seeing them not as an end point, but as the beginning of a new energy cycle. The Manston plant is where theory meets reality, and we'll be watching closely. The future of clean energy might just be hiding in your bin. Thanks for watching. If you're excited about the future of green technology and want to learn more about groundbreaking projects like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content. See you in the next one.